Welcome back to the Scholarship. Today our topic is TCN's Part C, relation between time to complete one revolutions and distance of planet from the sun with respect to Kepler's third law of planetary motions. So this type of numerical coming in Part C. It's very simple and you can easily score 25 marks. So we'll solve this new type of numerical. So formula is, you have to remember this formula, T1 का स्क्वायर अपॉन T2 का स्क्वायर D1 का क्यूब is equal to D का. Now we know that distance between the center of the earth and the sun is 93 into 10 raised to 6 miles. Okay, so you have to remember this thing also. Distance between the center of the earth and the sun is 93 into 10 raised to 6 miles. Duration of Earth to complete one revolution around the sun sidal period is equal to 365.25 days, that is equal to 1 year. And for sun elongation, the formula is distance between Venus and sun and distance between Earth and sun. So you have to remember this one and total 4 things. So once you remember this total 4 things, you can easily solve this type of numericals and you can easily score 25 marks. Okay, so the first question is, which is also repeated in many times in MMD exams. So let's see how we'll solve this. If the sidereal period of the Venus is given 224.7 days, find the maximum elongation. Okay, so first of all, what is given in the question? Okay, Venus 224.7 days. So it is given of the time given. So T is time, V for Venus is equal to 224.7 days. Okay, and we know the Earth is complete one revolution around 365.25 days. Since it is days, so we will calculate days, otherwise we can also take 1 year. Okay, now we know that duration is equal to 93 into 10, duration of the Earth 93 into 10 raised to 6 mile, which we already discussed during when we are discussing the formulas. Now we put the value in the formula. Time Earth square is equal to time Venus square, duration in short form, this E for Earth, V for Venus, T for time, D for duration. Okay, so we put the formula. Now put the value. So first we think what do we have and what we need to find. TV we have, TE we have, DE we have. So we have to find the maximum elongation and the sidereal period of the Venus. So DV the cube is equal to TV square into cross multiplication. We have to do this, multiply by this, divide by this. Put the value in the formula which we are already calculated. Okay, so we get the dV is equal to 67.3 into 10 raised to the 6. Now put the value in the sine elongation formula. Sine elongation is equal to distance between Venus and Sun divided by distance between Earth and Sun. Okay, so dV over dE. So 67.3 into 10 raised to the power 6 divided by 93 into 10 to the power 6. So when we calculate, we get the value 0.7236 sine. Now we have to sine inverse. So maximum elongation of Venus 46.35. So it's very short and very simple, just into 4 steps, and you can easily solve this type of numerical, which easily scoring 25 marks. So this type same numericals we are solving the next, which is also repeated many times in the MMD. So let's solve this also. Okay, so next question is, Jupiter has an orbit of 11.86 year. Jupiter planet has an orbit of 11.86 years. Calculate the distance between Earth and Jupiter when the Jupiter is in conjunction with the Sun. In this type of numerical, we have 3 things and we have to find 1 remaining things. So what we have? Tj, which is 11.86 years given in the question. Okay, we know that DE, duration of Earth, is equal to 93 into 10 raised to 6. The second more things we know that TE is equal to 1 year. Third thing we know, since it is given in the year, so we also take year. If it was given in days, we have to take then 365.25 days. Okay, now it is given, since it is year, we have to also take years. So we know this all things, so we can find the remaining thing. So formula is T is equal to Tj, G for Jupiter and E for Earth. Okay, so DE and Dj3. So put the value. Now cross multiplication. So Dj3 is equal to Te, Tj का स्क्वायर इंटू DE का क्यूब डिवाइड बाई TE का स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू 11.86 का स्क्वायर इंटू 93 इंटू 10 रेज टू 6 का क्यूब डिवाइड बाई 1 का क्यूब. So Dj is equal to 483.9 into 10 raised to the 6 miles. Okay, so distance between Earth and Jupiter when Jupiter is in conjunction with the Sun. So Dj minus De is equal to 483.9 into 10 raised to the power 6, 93 into 10 raised to the power 6. So minus, we get the 390.9 into 10 raised to the 6 nautical miles. So this is our answer. So this is very simple. Hope you understand. If you still have doubt, write me in comment box. Best of luck and see you on the next video.